In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to your Xiaomi TV. So let's get started. Now, the latest Xiaomi TVs have the AirPlay feature installed into them. So just go ahead into your Xiaomi TV settings and search for the AirPlay option. Now, if it's there, it's well and good. Go ahead and turn it on. Now, if it's not there, then you have to go ahead and you have to download this app. This app is AirScreen, so just go here to the Google Play Store and download this app. Now, once you've downloaded this app, inside the app is going to be an AirPlay option, so just go ahead and turn it on. Now, when you've turned on the option of AirPlay, either in TV settings or from the app, then you're gonna go ahead and head over to your iPad, and on the top right corner, you're gonna scroll down and open the control center. Now here, you're gonna see these two screens, just go ahead and click on them. And from here, you're gonna go ahead and select your Xiaomi TV. Just click on it. It's perhaps sometimes it asks for a verification where you might have to enter a code which is showed on the TV screen. So just go ahead and enter that. And then your iPad should be mirrored onto your Xiaomi TV. Now, that's the first way to do it. Now, the second method to do is by using a connector which is USB-C to HDMI. Now, if your iPad is a new model, then it's most likely that the charging is a USB-C cable, which looks something like that. So let me just go ahead and show you. It looks something like that. So you have to go ahead and buy one of these connectors, which basically this end goes into your iPad and the other end is an HDMI port. So you need an HDMI cable that goes one end goes here and the other end goes to the TV. And like this, you can connect your iPad to the TV like you connect your laptop to a monitor. So it works in the same principle. However, if you have an older version of iPad, then you can simply search up Lightning to HDMI. And then you would get these options because the older iPads used to have this as the charging cable. So yeah, those are the two best methods of connecting your iPad to Xiaomi TV. I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.